From the sleepy hollow of Pulau Kundo, our cycling adventure continues to Batam Island. Before we set sail, we have ample time to hose down our bikes to get rid of the road grime and dirt from the previous day's ride. From our hotel, we rolled out to the Tanjung Batu ferry terminal where our bikes were loaded up for a 2-hour journey to the port of Skupang in Batam. After bidding farewell to a local cycling guide who hosted our visit in Tanjung Batu, we sailed out of Kundo. Batam has a population of 1.14 million people and an area of 1,595 square kilometers. It is also the largest city in the Riau Archipelago. The island is a stark contrast compared to Kundo. Roads are well paved and on every corner there's a car dealership, hypermarkets and buses transporting commuters around. From a fishing village in its past, Batam was built to mirror the image of Singapore. The local economy here is driven by the manufacturing industry with a heavy investment from their Singaporean neighbours. From Skupang, we rolled out to Telaga Kundo, located some 30 kilometers away. That should easily take about 2 hours or slightly more on the road, but nothing quite prepared us for the hilly and undulating terrain where gradients vary from 5 to 12 degrees. And when you cycle under the hot sun, every rotation on a bike's crank became a real test of strength and endurance. There's no shortage of hills to climb from Skupang to Batam Centre, where we took a short lunch break while our Muslim riders performed their prayers at the city's mosque. After much climbing and rolling, we made it just in time at the Telaga Punggol roll-on roll-off ferry terminal. The last ferry was scheduled to depart at 6 p.m. We caught the 4 p.m. transfer to Bintan, where our adventure continues.